Welcome back to the channel. The all-new 2025 Foton Tunland G7 is here. A bold, powerful, and high-tech pickup truck designed to handle any challenge. With a rugged body, advanced technology, and a powerful turbo diesel engine, the Tunland G7 is ready for work and adventure. In this video, we'll explore its performance, features, off-road capabilities, and pricing. Let's dive in. The 2025 Foton Tunland G7 packs a punch under the hood with its 2.0L turbo diesel engine, producing 160 horsepower and 390 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is designed for durability, efficiency, and serious power for both daily driving and heavy-duty tasks. 2.0L turbo diesel engine, efficient and powerful. 6-speed manual and automatic transmission options. 4x4 off-road capability with locking rear differential. Towing capacity of 3,500 kilograms, 7,700 pounds, built for heavy loads. Massive chrome front grille, commanding road presence. LED headlights and DRLs for enhanced visibility. 18-inch alloy wheels, rugged yet stylish. High ground clearance, ready for off-road challenges. This truck is built to turn heads while being tough enough for any job. 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium leather seats, comfort meets durability. Multifunction steering wheel, easy control at your fingertips. 360-degree camera and parking sensors for effortless maneuvering. Whether you're driving through the city or taking on the wild, the Tunland G7 ensures a smooth and connected ride. 6 airbags, front, side, and curtain protection. Electronic stability control (ESC) ensures smooth handling. Hill descent control and hill start assist conquer any slope. Blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning, stay alert on the road. This truck isn't just about power, it's about smart, safe driving too. Let's talk price. The 2025. What do you think about this truck? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car and truck reviews.